Welcome to week 6 of event planning. We'll be covering introduction to event planning checklists, checklists for corporate events, checklists for social events, checklists for conference and seminars, effective planning schedule and action agenda, breaking down the planning schedule, pre-event phase, execution phase, implementing documents and administrative instructions, post-event wrap-up, evaluating and documenting. The contents for this lecture will be the harmony of event planning, precision in planning, challenges, role of planning checklists, tailoring and checklists for different events, corporate events, social events, conferences and seminars, a safety net for oversight, communication and collaboration, adaptability in the face of change, and conclusion. Introduction to planning checklists. Event planning is like putting together a puzzle, combining creativity, precision, and organization to create memorable experiences. Whether it's a corporate gathering, a wedding, or a conference, organizing an event involves handling various details. In this lecture, we will explore the foundational importance of event planning, checklists, looking at how they help in navigating the complex world of event management. Event planning checklists are the compass that guides planners through the intricate maze of tasks involved in executing a successful event. They go beyond the surface, covering every detail from conceptualization to post-event analysis. By providing a comprehensive overview, checklists ensure that no stone is left unturned, contributing to the overall success and satisfaction of both hosts and attendees. Time is a critical factor in event planning, and effective time management is paramount. Event planning checklists incorporate timelines and deadlines, creating a structured roadmap. This temporal organization ensures that tasks are completed in a timely manner, preventing last-minute chaos. A well-structured timeline not only contributes to the smooth execution of the event, but also allows for flexibility in addressing unforeseen challenges. Event planning checklists are not just organizational aids, they are strategic instruments that elevate the planning process, ensuring a holistic approach and successful outcomes. As event planners navigate the complexities of their roles, these checklists stand as reliable companions, guiding them through the intricacies of creating memorable and seamless events. The harmony of event planning. Think of event planning as creating a symphony where each detail plays a crucial role in making everything work together smoothly. From choosing a venue and arranging catering to managing logistics and entertainment, organizing an event involves carefully balancing numerous tasks. To help with this complexity, we have event planning checklists. The initial movement in the symphony of event planning is meticulous preparation. This involves selecting an appropriate venue, choosing the right date, and defining the overarching theme of the event. These foundational decisions set the tone and ambience, serving as the cornerstone upon which the rest of the planning process builds. The harmony achieved in this initial phase provides a solid framework that guides subsequent decisions. Coordination, akin to the synchronized efforts of a musical ensemble, is the second movement in the orchestration of events. Event planners must bring together a diverse array of suppliers and vendors, each playing a crucial role. From caterers and decorators to technical support, these contributors must seamlessly integrate their services to create a cohesive and well-executed event. The challenge lies in ensuring that each element complements the others, resulting in a harmonious experience for attendees. Communication serves as the rhythm section, maintaining the beat and ensuring everyone involved is in sync. Timely and clear communication between the event planner, clients, and vendors is essential. Regular updates and feedback loops create an environment where all parties are attuned to the evolving needs of the event. This continuous flow of information prevents discord and contributes to the overall harmony of the planning process. Event planners act as conductors, coordinating various elements like a musical composition. Similar to a conductor overseeing musicians, planners manage vendors and logistics for a seamless event. Choosing the right venue, catering, and entertainment is akin to selecting instruments for a symphony. Each element contributes to the overall atmosphere and success of the event. Events like symphonies require meticulous planning for precise timing and coordination. Mistimed elements in both scenarios can disrupt the overall experience. The crescendo in the symphony of event planning is the guest experience. Crafting an atmosphere where attendees feel engaged and delighted requires a careful balance of entertainment, ambience, and amenities. A well-designed program combined with thoughtful details ensures that guests leave with a lasting impression. The harmony of these elements contributes significantly to the overall success of the event. It transforms it from a mere gathering into an immersive experience that resonates with attendees long after the event concludes. Event planning is like solving a puzzle. There are many challenges that are there in it. There are many tasks to juggle, and events are dynamic, meaning things can change. For event planners, it's like finding their way through a maze. There's always a risk of forgetting important details that could affect the event's success. This is where event planning checklists come in as a helpful guide. The challenge lies not only in addressing individual tasks, but in seamlessly fitting them together to craft a successful event. It's akin to navigating through a maze, where event planners must find their way through the intricate details of coordination, adapting to the ever-changing dynamics inherent in events. In this dynamic landscape, there is an increased risk of overlooking critical details that could significantly impact the success of the event. The maze-like nature of event coordination demands a systematic approach to ensure that no crucial element is missed. It is within this context that event planning checklists emerge as invaluable tools, acting as reliable guides to help planners navigate through the maze of tasks and potential challenges. The role of event planning checklists. These checklists serve as a compass, providing direction and ensuring comprehensive coverage of necessary details. They become a strategic companion, offering guidance on the intricate journey of event coordination. The analogy emphasizes the importance of adaptability, recognizing that events, like mazes, can present unexpected turns and surprises. Event planners must possess the ability to make quick decisions and navigate through challenges successfully. Tailoring checklists for different events. Event planning checklists are flexible and can be adjusted for different types of events. Corporate events need a focus on professionalism and precision, with considerations for networking and representing a brand. Social events like weddings or parties require a checklist that captures personal preferences and creative touches. Conferences and seminars need a checklist that fits their educational focus and engagement requirements. Event planning checklists showcase their versatility by seamlessly adapting to the diverse nature of events. Whether it's a corporate affair, a social gathering, or an educational conference, the checklists serve as a flexible framework accommodating the unique demands of each event type. Flexibility marks another note in the checklist composition. Events vary not only in scale but also in dynamic factors such as venue, theme, and target audience. A flexible checklist allows event planners to adapt and adjust based on these variables. For instance, a checklist for an outdoor event might include contingency plans for inclement weather, while an indoor event checklist may focus more on technical requirements and spatial arrangements. The adaptability of the checklist ensures that it remains relevant to the unique circumstances of each event. Specific industry requirements constitute an additional movement in tailoring checklists. Different types of events may belong to distinct industries, each with its own regulations, safety standards, and best practices. A checklist designed for a medical conference, for example, would need to consider healthcare compliance and specific industry protocols. Tailoring the checklist to align with industry-specific requirements is crucial for ensuring legal compliance and the overall success of the event. In the realm of corporate events, the checklist becomes a precision tool, emphasizing professionalism and meticulous attention to detail. It addresses specific needs such as networking opportunities and brand representation, ensuring that every aspect aligns with the business-oriented objectives of the gathering. For social events like weddings or parties, the checklist takes on a personalized role. Its adaptability allows event planners to infuse creative touches and capture individual preferences. The checklist becomes a tailored guide, ensuring that the event is not only well organized but also resonates with the personal style and preferences of the attendees. Conferences and seminars benefit from a checklist aligned with an educational focus and participant engagement. This adaptable tool becomes essential in orchestrating sessions effectively, ensuring that educational content is delivered seamlessly and attendees remain engaged throughout the event. The checklist is not a rigid template, but an adaptable framework that event planners can customize for each event's unique demands. Its versatility lies in its ability to cater to the specific objectives and ambience desired for each event, providing a tailored approach to event planning that ensures success across a spectrum of diverse occasions. A safety net for oversight. The execution of successful events relies not only on creativity and coordination, but also on a robust safety net for oversight. This safety net serves as a protective mechanism, ensuring that potential risks are identified and mitigated, and that the overall event unfolds smoothly. In the realm of event planning, oversight encompasses various aspects, including risk management, quality control, and adherence to regulations. Oversights in event planning can cause problems for the entire event. Checklists act as a safety net, catching potential oversights before they become big issues. Whether it's confirming vendor contracts, getting necessary permits, or making sure the audio-visual setup is flawless, a well-made checklist reduces the risk of missing important details. Quality control is another facet of oversight that safeguards the integrity of an event. From the selection of vendors to the execution of services, maintaining high standards is imperative. Event planners must establish rigorous quality control measures to ensure that every component of the event aligns with the envisioned experience. This includes thorough vetting of suppliers, regular inspections, and adherence to established benchmarks. Quality control acts as a safety net, catching and rectifying any deviations from the intended plan. Oversights in event planning can have far-reaching consequences, affecting various aspects of the event's success. The checklist acts as a systematic approach to mitigate the risk, ensuring that each detail is thoroughly addressed. From confirming vendor contracts to obtaining necessary permits, the checklist provides a comprehensive guide, minimizing the possibility of missing critical components. Technological tools and advancements further fortify the safety net for oversight in event planning. Utilizing event management software, surveillance systems, and communication platforms enhances the ability to monitor various aspects of the event in real time. These tools provide valuable data and insights, allowing event planners to address any emerging issues promptly. The integration of technology into oversight processes adds an additional layer of protection, ensuring a more comprehensive and efficient approach to event management. The checklist's role as a safety net contributes to the smooth coordination of the event. By minimizing oversights, it ensures seamless flow of activities. In a sense, event planning checklists serve as guardians against potential pitfalls, enhancing the reliability of the planning process and facilitating the flawless execution of every detail, ultimately contributing to the overall success of the event. Communication and collaboration. Events involve teamwork with coordination among different people, event planners, vendors, venue staff, and participants. Checklists become a shared language, improving communication. This shared reference point ensures that everyone involved understands the plan, promoting effective collaboration and contributing to a smoother event. Communication and coordination within the event planning team contribute significantly to effective oversight. A well-informed and collaborative team ensures that everyone is on the same page, reducing the likelihood of oversights or misunderstandings. Regular check-ins, status updates, and open channels of communication create a safety net that catches potential issues before they escalate. This collaborative approach enhances the overall efficiency and success of the event. Beyond internal communication, effective collaboration with clients is equally paramount. Understanding the client's vision, expectations, and preferences lays the groundwork for a successful event. Regular consultations and open dialogue allow event planners to fine-tune their approach, ensuring that the final outcome aligns with the client's desires. This collaborative process not only enhances the planning experience, but also contributes to a sense of ownership and satisfaction for the client. Coordination with external vendors and suppliers constitutes the second movement in the orchestration of communication and collaboration. Event planners must act as conductors, orchestrating the efforts of caterers, decorators, technical support, and other service providers. Clear communication about expectations, timelines, and specific requirements is imperative. Collaboration with vendors ensures that each element seamlessly integrates into the overall event, contributing to the desired ambience and experience for the attendees. Adaptability in the face of change. Events can be unpredictable, and event planning checklists are adaptable to changes. When unexpected challenges arise or plans shift, planners can adjust their checklists accordingly. This flexibility is essential for navigating the ever-changing landscape of event coordination. Adaptability emerges as a critical attribute in the face of change within the dynamic landscape of event planning. The initial movement in understanding the significance of adaptability involves recognizing the inherent unpredictability of the events industry. Unexpected challenges, ranging from unforeseen weather changes to sudden shifts in the client preferences, are par for the course. The ability of event planners to adapt to these changes is akin to a skillful musician navigating through an impromptu improvisation, ensuring that the overall harmony of the event is not compromised. The second movement involves the flexibility to adjust plans and strategies when unforeseen circumstances arise. In a world where external factors are constantly evolving, adaptability allows event planners to modify their approach swiftly and effectively. This may involve rearranging schedules, revisiting logistics, or even altering the event's theme to better suit the prevailing conditions. The fluidity in adapting to change ensures that events remain not only functional but also relevant and engaging. Effective communication is an integral part of adaptability in event planning. Keeping all stakeholders informed about changes, challenges, and revised plans fosters a collaborative environment. Whether communicating with the event planning team, clients, or vendors, transparent and timely updates ensure that everyone is on the same page. This shared understanding facilitates a cohesive response to change, preventing disruptions and contributing to the overall success of the event. Conclusion: a helpful tool for event success. To sum up, the introduction to event planning checklists is the starting point for successful event execution. Checklists are not just boring lists, they are helpful guides, assisting planners through the complexity of event coordination. Their flexibility, adaptability, and role in minimizing oversights highlight their importance. The role of checklists in event planning is multifaceted, providing structure, organization, risk management, effective communication, adaptability, and technological integration. Like a well-composed symphony, a thoughtfully crafted checklist guides event planners through the intricacies of their responsibilities, ensuring that each task contributes to the harmonious execution of a successful event. As the events landscape continues to evolve, the importance of checklists remains timeless, serving as an indispensable tool for orchestrating memorable and seamlessly executed gatherings. As we move on to the next discussions, let us see the checklist not just as a tool but as a vital element in making diverse and memorable events successful.